In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable or disable the full screen mode in the Edge web browser on your PC. This feature is especially useful when you want to maximize your viewing area, perhaps to enjoy videos or create a distraction-free browsing environment. To begin with, I'll guide you through two simple methods to achieve this, ensuring you always know how to toggle full screen mode according to your needs. Let's start with the quickest method, using a keyboard shortcut. It's incredibly straightforward. All you need to do is press F11 on your keyboard. This is a quick toggle command for full screen mode. Once pressed, you'll find yourself immediately in full screen mode, occupying the entire display with the web page you're viewing. Conveniently, pressing F11 again will exit full screen mode, returning your browser to its normal view with all the toolbars and tabs visible. This method is perfect for those who prefer swift actions and are comfortable with using keyboard shortcuts. However, if you prefer using on-screen menus, our second method will be right up your alley. First, open Microsoft Edge. Once it's up and running, direct your attention to the top right corner of the browser window. Here you'll see the familiar three-dot menu icon. Give it a click and a drop-down menu will appear with various options to customize your browsing experience. In this menu, look for the full screen option, recognized easily by the diagonal double arrow icon. Clicking on this icon will take you into full screen mode, hiding all toolbars and menus from view for an immersive experience. Now, exiting full screen mode through this method is also straightforward. You have two choices. You could simply press F11 again, if you remember the keyboard shortcut from earlier. But if that's not your preferred way, move your mouse to the top of the screen, which will make the hidden toolbar appear. Once it does, click on the exit full screen button you see there. This will seamlessly revert your browser back to its regular view, bringing back the menu icons, tabs, and other interface elements you're familiar with. That's all you need. Now you can enjoy a seamless and customizable browsing experience in Microsoft Edge. Whether you're diving into a captivating video or focusing on reading without distractions, going full screen can enhance your experience significantly. And with these methods at your disposal, switching in and out of full screen mode will be as easy as a click or a keystroke. Thank you for watching, and I hope you find these tips helpful for your web browsing needs.